Hey, I'm Fish. DJI Mic 2, Pocket 3. Swipe towards the left, Pro is on. Get to the mic. Mute transmitter 1 or 2. We're muted. You have a breathing red light. You look at the main screen, you're muted. There's no words on there. Say mute, just at the gain bars, no more. Maybe they should put mute there. So swipe back, turn the mute off, and when you go back to the main screen, you're with audio again. I'm going to shut this off. In the transmitter, there's no way to mute at all. This is the DJI Mic 2. When I plug it into the back of the camera, over here to the cradle or underneath, if I didn't have the handle, please make sure that it plugs in firmly, that this thing don't slip. So hold it in like so and plug it in. It may take me a few more seconds than the usual person. I'm going to have to turn my transmitter on because it seemed to shut off on me. Confirm it again, and now go into the Pro and the mic area. I am ready to shoot video with muted sound. If I wanted to turn on my transmitter and get audio, I can do so. And then I would be with Bluetooth on here. This will pick up automatically to here. So let's turn this off. Let's turn on the transmitter and give it a couple of seconds to connect. And there I am. I have to wait 11 seconds for this to go away. And now when I disconnect, I am muted. So let's see if this holds true that I have a mute. We're going to give a 30 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we're going to play this back. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that not be accessible. That might not be acceptable for some hearing the pop, but you get the idea that I've given you options on how to mute your video. Now this is an Apple OTG headset 3.5 TRRS cable. Problem here is it may and may not work with the Action 4. It will not work with the Pocket 3. But if this was a USB-C microphone, if DJI made one, then you could be able to take this and cut it off and have it muted, plugging the USB-C in. And there are cables like from Boya that you can purchase with the Y adapter, and all you do is pull the mic out and the audio will be gone for the microphone. And that is a way you can go about with audio. Thank you for your time.